Hi, this is Anthony Bonaspina, founder and CEO of Ally Tech Advisors with today's tech tip. What is, basically the problem with AI today? One of the things we have been seeing is a lot of the businesses out there that we interact with um, are using AI. Their employees are using AI. Sometimes they're using a variety of different AI engines and so on, without really the ownership getting a good idea of like how it's being used within their organization, and what kind of information is getting put into those AI engines. In some cases, it might be an attorney's office where you have attorney-client privilege, and suddenly you're putting stuff into a AI search engine or like a ChatGPT, and suddenly now you're basically disclosing that information to the public, and that's something of a big concern, especially with an attorney's office. The other thing too is that you have schools maybe have children's information that a teacher might be putting in just to analyze an IEP report or so on, and suddenly that information now went out to a deep learning engine. The problems with this is that there's going to be, I'm going to, see that in the future that a lot of litigation, because that information is out there in the public now, and all you need is a someone to be able to pull that information up from another engine somewhere that says, this school put out this information about all their students, or this attorney now disclosed this information about their clients. It's going to cause a lot of issues. So it's very important for ownerships of a company, the C-level owners, founders of a company, that they are aware of what's going on in their company regarding AI usage. That's where we come in. We created basically an operational intelligence platform that basically we could put into a business that it does not go out to a deep learning engine. It protects the business so that when something gets put in there that's private, it doesn't go beyond the business itself. So we have, something that we basically put in there. It's a base platform that can also be built upon, and there's a lot of cool stuff you could do with it, from virtual attendance to a virtual receptionist to a workflow automations. There's a lot of cool stuff that can be built in this platform, but the main part of the platform is that now you have a chat window that is secure, that you can put pretty much anything you want in there. It's SOC 1, SOC 2, and HIPAA compliant. Again, if you have the right AI policy in place, it all works, and we'll help you with all that as well. But give you an idea, that's the problem that's out there. It's called shadow AI. Shadow AI is pretty much, you have a ownership of a company that has no idea how it's being used within their company. Your employees are just using ChatGPT, Claude, or, who knows, whatever AI engines out there. And that's why you need to gain control over that and rein that in, so that you're giving your employees a tool to use that is safe to use and that you have control over. Again, this is, shadow AI is the problem, and your operational intelligence platform is a solution that will help you maintain control of your business. Again, this is Anthony from Ally Tech Advisors with today's tech tip. Have a great day.